Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by accessing the camera now, don't delay. With the trunk open, remove the trunk liner clips and pull back the panel to expose the camera housing. Use a T20 Torx and 10mm socket to remove fasteners. Once done, gently unclip the plastic trim with a flat pry to avoid breaking tabs. Make sure the vehicle power is off and you have your multimeter and replacement camera on hand, because you'll test both voltage and continuity before claiming victory. Next, focus on the wiring and electrical checks. Inspect the connector for corrosion, bent pins, or water intrusion. Replace or clean any corrosion with electrical contact cleaner. Use your multimeter to verify 12V at the camera supply and ground continuity to chassis. Test the signal wire for expected resistance. Once verified, disconnect the camera and momentarily apply a fused 12V feed to the camera harness. Finish by replacing the camera module if testing showed no image, or reseating and protecting the connector with dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. Reinstall the trim and fasteners, then restore power and put the car in reverse to confirm the image and parking guidelines. If the image still fails, check the reverse lamp fuse and reverse signal at the head unit, confirm head unit input settings, and inspect the wiring harness for brakes. Those steps solve most remaining problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.